guys, I'm Michael Lammers, CCKF brand ambassador for Grande Bass Trophy Hunter Baits. Tonight I want to talk to you about the Battle on the Bird to be held September 14th, 2014. This is a big bass only, kayaks only, Grande Bass Trophy Hunter Baits only tournament. All tournament rules and info can be found on Facebook or www.capitalcitykayakfishing.com. I want to talk to you about the legal ways to fish a Grande Bass Trophy Hunter bait at the Grande Bass Battle of the Bird. You can fish an Alabama rig, a drop shot rig, shaky head rig, various swim bait rigs, underspins, as a chatterbait trailer, a spinnerbait or buzzbait trailer, weightless, wacky, as a jig trailer, Carolina rig, or my personal favorite, the Texas rig. The only illegal ways to fish a Grande Bass Trophy Hunter bait is if they're attached to crankbaits, rattle traps, frogs, and or attached as a minor component where the Grande Bass Trophy Hunter bait becomes the minor contributor as a fish attractor and is therefore irrelevant to the rig as a whole. So there it is, all the ways to rig a Grande Bass Trophy Hunter bait on September 14, 2014 at the Grande Bass Battle on the Bird. Please be sure to check out www.grandebass.com. We would also like to thank CCKF, all their members, and their wonderful sponsors.